What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new blessings, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, so all you gotta do is do that, click the link, and then direct you to my official social media link. Alright, my official social media page, whichever one you click on. Got a lot of fake social media platforms from Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. A lot of people keep getting scammed by these fake pages. So please, before you send your money, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing getting legit business, and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So dropping some more gems, back at it again with another bad credit loan. Yes, bad credit loan. In this place, they don't really pay attention to your, it's a signature loan. They don't really pay attention to your credit score. They more pay attention to the relationship that you have with their bank. All right, so as long as you have a bank account with them and been banking with them for at least 60 to 90 days, you can get you a $10,000. They're offering $50,000 for the personal loan, but if you got at least a 480, you can get approved for a $10,000 loan. All right, so I'm not gonna be on here and be like, oh, if you got a 480, you can get you a $50,000 loan. No, if you got at least a 480, you got a good relationship with this bank, this credit union, you can get at least $10,000 for sure. They also have lines of credit for up to $25,000, and it's easier to get the line of credit, vice versa, the personal loan. So you get you a line of credit for $25,000, and you only spend $20,000, then you literally got you a $20,000 loan. So you're responsible for spending however. You're responsible for paying back however much you spend. So you get $25,000, you only spend $10,000, you're responsible for $10,000. You get $25,000, you spend $20,000, you're responsible for $20,000, paying back $20,000. All right, APRs will be different. So as long as you got a 480 credit score, as long as you got a relationship with this bank, NIH credit, Federal Credit Union, then you'll be able to get you a $10,000 loan. They're offering $50,000, and apply for the highest amount and accept the whatever they give you. You might get approved for more than that. Who knows? So today we're gonna be talking about NIH Federal Credit Union. A lot of people out there need loans. A lot of people are starting to learn about lines of credit. A lot of people are interested in credit cards. A lot of people out there interested in getting their life back on track. A lot of people are interested on getting their credit back on track on the journey to the 850. And that's why I'm here to help you guys learn about these credit unions, because like I said, credit unions and smaller banks in your city are a higher chance of you getting approved for higher limit loans with bad credit. A lot of people want to go to these major banks and try to apply for loans and stuff like that. Nah, credit unions and smaller banks you have a higher chance of getting approved for a higher limit loan with bad credit, higher limit credit cards, and higher limit lines of credit. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna be checking out NIH Federal Credit Union, showing what they're offering and how you can get approved. All right, so let's check them out. All right, so NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, discover banking with heart. Open an account, get a loan, get a home loan, get a credit card. All right, earn 4.125 APY for 12 months, plus another newly increased certificate rates to give your savings a big boost. All right, earn a spring project and home equity loan can help. Pay no interest for 15 months and get more smiles per gallon. All right, so this is the website you want to go to. Check them out, and then what you want to do is you want to go to menu. Once you go to menu, you can go to personal and niche. You're gonna go to personal loan options. All right, so personal signature loans. All right, a great loan just when you need it. This loan is a very popular way to get cash for a specific need, such as debt consolidation, home repairs, major household purchases, educational expenses, a family event, or an unplanned emergency. An NIH FCU signature loan includes a fixed rate currently low at 6.24 APR CR rates, amounts up to $50,000, terms from 36 months, 48 months, and 60 months. No collateral requirements, so you don't got to put nothing up. Skip a payment option every 12 months. All right, so optional loan, guardian debt protection. All right, consolidating debt. Use debt consolidation calculator to estimate your potential savings. All right, so they got the personal loan. Then they got the home improvement loans, a perfect way to help homeowners finance that home project they've always wanted to undertake. This loan is popular for those who may not have the cash on hand or equity in their home to renovate, upgrade, or remodel their property. All right, a fixed rate currently is as low as 5.7% APR, amounts up to $25,000, terms for 36, 48, 84, and 120 months. No collateral, no inspections, no orientation fees. All right, so they ain't even gonna come out and look at the house. Just apply and get the money. Receipt of funds for this loan. A contractor's estimate or bid material is listed. Itemizing the improvements is required. All right. So they got the personal line of credit, all-purpose line of credit. Our personal line of credit is a convenient way to access cash for everyday and urgent needs, and is often used as overdraft protection for your checking accounts and futures. Rates as low as 8.24 APR with NIH FCU total care checking auto payment. Credit limits up to $25,000. 5-year draw period with a 5-year repayment period. So you got 5 years to use the money and 5 years to pay it back. Replenishes itself as you pay it back. Can't beat that. Optional loan, guardian debt protection. All right, so if I was you, anybody out there, I'd get this line of credit. Where my cursor at? All right, get this line of credit to really help you with your needs. Really, you know what I'm saying? Get you in the position that you need. Get more money with a lower credit score. So then right here down here it gives you an example. So annual percentage rates APRs of a February 20, 2023 and are subject to change without notice. The lowest APR shown is available for applicants with excellent credit. Credit includes a rate discount of 0.25. The automatic debt loan payment from the NIH savings current amount. So automatic payment cases before a loan full increased by 2.5%. So loan amount $10,000, they rate at 6.24 for 60 months would be have a monthly payment of $194.95. They just giving you some examples, you know what I'm saying? So NIH Federal Credit Union, they're in Maryland. They got some good options. Check out their credit cards. Do you remember the time they got the? All right, so their credit cards. Visa credit cards, incredible value for all credit purchasing needs. Enjoy the standard benefits. No annual fee, grateful low rates and fees, exciting introductory rates and reward offers, credit limits up to $25,000, contactless tap and pay convenience, online card controls with DIY card management, 24/7 fraud monitoring, and Visa zero liability, real-time purchase alerts, digital wallet, mobile payment options, ID navigator powered by LifeLock. All right, Visa Platinum Card, all standards benefits above, plus 0% introductory APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balances transfers, then a variable APR of 12.49 at 18%. Manage your account online or with our mobile app. Compare all card options. Check out our Visa Secure Card option. Then they got the Visa Signature Card rewards, all standard benefits above, plus 0% intro APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then a variable of 15.949%, 18%, earn 3% cash back reward points in these categories for transportation, gas, electric vehicle charging, ride share, taxi, limo, for personal home, groceries, wholesale clubs, utilities, including streaming. All other purchases earn 1%. New cardholder bonuses earn 4% on the transportation and personal home categories above in the first 12 months. Redeem points for cash, traveling, gifts, cars, merchandise, or charity donation. Visa Signature includes traveling and emergency assistance, lost luggage, and travel accident insurance, extended warranty protection. Compare all cards above. Then you got the Visa Signature Travel Card, the Visa Platinum Secure Card. So all these cards up here are not secured cards. So you can get you a $25,000 credit card right now with them. As long as you got you a, you know what I'm saying, a good relationship with them. So don't slip on these relationships. Then they got the secure card. Whether you are new to credit entirely or have a challenged credit, you would like to rebuild this card is for you. In addition, for our standard Visa benefits above, this card features a low variable rate of 13.49 APR, credit limit up to $25,000 based on the pledged amount. Your credit limit is determined by the security deposit you provide, so you can control your spending power. As you create a record of on-time payments, you can work towards starting or rebuilding your credit. You may even be able to upgrade your credit card with its responsible use over time. All right, so go check them out. Go get y'all some money. Go get y'all some credit cards. Go open up an account with them, build a relationship, and I guarantee you'll be able to get at least a $10,000 loan. Or you can get the line of credit for $25,000 with a 480 credit score. All right, so NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, go sign up. Go do what you need to do. Go get you some money. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, if you got at least a 480 credit score, go open up an account with them. Start building a relationship. And what do I mean by building a relationship? Start making deposits into the bank account. Start getting payments, direct deposits to that bank account, so they can see money coming in, and you actually having, that's how you build a relationship. Having funds come in, they want to see the money, point blank period. All right, so make sure you got some money coming in. Give it, whatever you got to do to make it look good. Then apply for that loan. Apply for the whole $25,000 and see how much you get applied. No, apply for the whole $50,000 and see how much you get approved for. You never know. You might get approved for a little bit more, depending on how your relationship is with that bank. All right. Go check out their credit cards. They give them credit cards out for $25,000. Like I said, you can have a 480, 500 credit score as long as you got a good relationship with that bank, and you'll be off the records. They'll give you a chance. So make sure y'all go check out NIH Federal Credit Union if you haven't before. Make sure y'all getting y'all credit together. Y'all know how to clean it. Y'all know how to build it. I done showed y'all. I done told y'all before. So you need help with that, make sure y'all tapping into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair, and I'll get you together with that, adding AUs, trade lines, all that good stuff for you. Help you clean it, build it, everything. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. There you guys go. Go check them out. Go apply. Go get you some money, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And you'll motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all, man. Y'all really be motivating me to keep going, man. Helping the people out. So I'm going to keep doing that. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameramans. Tap in. Cameraman, if you're in Houston, Texas, or anywhere and you can travel, tap in with me. You got a good camera, 4K, 6K, 8K, Red, Dragon, whatever, and you good with them editing skills, tap in with me. Let's work. Let's get this money. Models, beautiful women out there, you looking to elevate in life. You tired of taking these half-naked pictures and putting them on social media platforms, not making no money off of them, and you tired of you 30, 35, 25, still in the club stripping. You listen, let's make it make sense. Let's get this money. Let me show you how to put yourself in a position to win. I'm gonna have you doing podcasts, blogging, skits, movies, all different type of stuff that's gonna help you elevate in life and help you keep your clothes on. All right, and if you do want to continue to do that stuff, we can make some money doing that, but we're gonna do it the right way. You gonna get paid, we gonna get paid, we gonna teamwork, make the dream work. All right, make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't have time for women with bad attitudes. I don't have time to feel like they just the God's gift on earth, because if they was, they wouldn't be in the position that you guys are in. So make it make sense. You got a man that's willing to help you, direct you in the right lane, the right presence, and doing the right things to make some money. Sometimes just chill out and listen, all right? Do what you need to do, all right? So tap in with me, man. Unlimited gems till Sunday, $500. Mentorships, take you under my wing, teach you how to get this cash, $1,500. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit, the rest of the money when we meet in person, all right? So let's get it in, let's win. You got $1,000, you want to learn how to make $10,000, $11,000, tap in. You got $600, you want to learn how to make $6,500, tap in. And y'all know how I get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.